Morning, everyone. It's Monday morning, the 13th of April. This is my video number 185. And it's been an interesting overnight. When the futures opened yesterday at 5 o'clock East Coast time, we had a 100-point move in the S&Ps. This is the opening. We opened up here at 28.18, made the high, and within 5 minutes, we were 27.17, just over 100 points different. We then calmed down and we're trading around 27.50, and we've had a little bit of a rally this morning where we're currently only down 7.5 after being all the way down there. At 27.17, we're trading 27.71, 65 points higher in the S&P, which, under any set of circumstances would be an extreme move, even if it took all day in the regular market. In last night's letter, in the general market commentary, I pointed out a couple of things, this being was resistance that we went right through after the test of the prior breakout. So a move to the downside here would probably take us into this area again. That number, to give you an idea, is about 26 and a quarter, 26.50. The gold opened at 1742 and then traded down to 1724. So it has a range of not overwhelming, but even right now where it is at 41, it is down 11. And the oil had the same kind of opening as the S&P, where it had the news of the OPEC deal, which, is somewhat constructive. But after being 27.47, up over $2, we then turned and went down $2.60, high to low, not net change, down to 22.03, and right now we're pretty close to unchanged. This is really an erratic market. I feel like it's going to come to the downside. I'm looking at a possible short in Goldman Sachs, and I'd like to get long some of the TBT, which is the ETF that tracks interest rates. I think interest rates will be going higher. I think that there's very little doubt that the amount of stimulus that the Fed is going to push into the market with the bonds is going to create a fair amount of supply, and I think bonds down, yield up, and that's what TBT does. Have a good day and be careful.